Here's what to expect of the magnet mount Kimwipe holder from TrippNT. The magnet mount Kimwipe holder helps you place Kimwipes at the perfect point of use location on any ferrous metal surface quickly and easily. The holder comes in two sizes, small and large, and it perfectly fits Kimwipe boxes. It snaps onto a metal surface very securely. That was kind of fun. Attach the metal magnet mount Kimwipe holder to your metal shelves, the outside of a hood, the inside of a hood, and anywhere else with a ferrous metal surface. You can even cheat on a glass or non-magnetic surface by adding metal or other magnets to the back side of it, like you see here. The magnets are extremely strong neodymium magnets and encased in rubber so that they grip onto the surface very well and never leave a scratch. This lets you quickly attach or move a holder without ever having to pick up a drill or submit a request to facilities. The holder itself is made from lightweight PVC and slightly overbent so that every Kimwipe gets a snug hug inside the holder. The Kimwipe holder is backed by our lifetime warranty and built here in the United States, making it an excellent partner for years to come. And that's how you gain space with the magnet mount Kimwipe holder from TrippNT.